Matapos ang magkasunod na pagkatalo noon ni Mark Magnifico Magsayo kontra kina Ray Vargas ng Mexico. At Brandon Figueroa ng Texas, USA. Ay inakala ng karamihan na babagsak na ang karir nito. Kaya naman ang maikasa ang sumunod na laban ni Magsayo kontra sa isa na namang Mexican fighter na si Isaac Avilar, ay pinatunayan ni Magsayo na hindi pa tapos ang karera nito sa boxing, kung saan brutal nitong tinapos ang laban sa pamamagitan ng knockout.
Third round. Wow. He attacks and the knockdown happened. Magsayo. And kind of licked our hands with the left. This dude is tough. He does not want to trade with Magsayo. Oh! A huge KO!
At literal na nangailangan ng stretcher ang Meksikano pagkatapos ng sagupaan. Makalipas ang 6 na buwan, June 15, 2024, ay muling naikasa ang sumunod na laban ni Magsayo. Ito ay kontra sa isa sa pinakadelikadong fighter ng Mexico na si Eduardo Ramirez. Matindi at matigas ang fighter na ito mga brad. Sa 28 na panalo nito, 13 dito ay nakuha via knockout. Malupit sa puntusan itong si Ramirez. Kaya naman kontra ito sa fighting style ni Magsayo na kung ating matatandaan ay ito ang kahinaan ni Magsayo, ang mga kalaban na magagaling pumuntos. Sa laban na ito ay hangad ng Meksikano na tapusin si Magsayo at patahimikin na ang karir nito. Subalit katulad ng Meksikano ay hangad din ni Magsayo ang tagumpay. Kaya naman hindi dito nagpatinag ang ating pambato. Nang kamao sa kamao itong makipagsabayan sa Meksikano. Ngunit bago tayo magpatuloy ay inaanyayahan kitang mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell upang palagi kang ma-notify sa mga bago nating video. Sa pagsapit ng mismong laban ay tinangka kagad na tapusin ni Magsayo ang laban sa round 3 nang mapabagsak nito si Ramirez nang ito ay matamaan ng dalawang malalakas na kanan mula kay Magsayo. Subalit tila babaliwala lamang ito para kay Ramirez, kaya naman nagawa kaagad ditong makabangon at ituloy ang laban. Sa pagpasok ng round 4 ay naging kalmado lamang si Ramirez at paisa-isa lamang ang bitaw ng mga tira nito. Samantalang nais naman tapusin ni Magsayo ang laban sa lalong madaling panahon. Subalit hindi ganon kadali iyon.
Openings very easily. He's throwing his punches and he's ducking, he's turning. He's using his defensive skills like that, backing out quickly after he finishes. He's not making it from
closing the distance. Magsayo with a huge edge in terms of total punches landed. But
that was beautiful. Double jab, right hand from Magsayo.
That's it. And moving forward, though.
That's how you do it. I mean, Ramirez is going to take that 2 steps back. Double jab, that's 2 steps. Throw the right hand. He's in range.
Deep right hand by Magsayo again. Leads with diving in, though, leaving himself susceptible to a counter.
Listen for that bell, gentlemen.
As we have completed 4 of a scheduled 10 rounds at 1:30.
Sa pagpasok ng round 5 ay inumpisahan ni Magsayo ang laban sa pamamagitan ng pagiging agresibo.
Right. Ready? Well, and Thomas Taylor probably busier than he'd like to be in this fight.
Well, that one landed on the hip and he did it.
Hey, you're turning into him.
Right back to the hip with the left hook. 2 in a row, even after being warned. So.
Oh, he noticed they heard Ramirez. He said, hey,
vicious left hook.
Sa pagbabato nito ng mga kombinasyon ay nasasagot ito ni Ramirez gamit ang paisa-isang jab.
But yeah, he went off balance. But beautiful work there from Magsayo. He threw a 3-punch combination.
Using the jab and turning Ramirez. Nice short uppercut on the inside by Magsayo.
The arm, go. Let it go, Mark.
Counter. There's the uppercuts again. Magsayo working the uppercuts from the left and right side.
Yeah, he must have landed 4 uppercuts, 2 right and 2 left.
You're good.
On the
Hook from Magsayo.
I like when Magsayo get a little push.
And we talk about power punches. Ramirez, not a lot behind his shots following the knockdown and not able to really gauge the distance like Magsayo there as he landed another left hook to the liver.
Yeah, he noticed that liver shot. There it is. He landed 1-2. He took a step back.
There goes the uppercuts, the right hand. That was nice.
Nice D.
Letting Ramirez get off first. Magsayo.
Magsayo, who is orthodox, to Ramirez, who is a 10 seconds of the half of this bout.
Sa dulo ng round 5 ay inakala ni Magsayo na tapos na ang laban nang matamaan ito ng solidong kaliwa si Ramirez. Halos lumipad ang ulo ni Ramirez at tumalsik ang mouthpiece nito. Subalit, nakakapagtaka na hindi bumagsak si Ramirez at maya-maya pa ay tumunog ang bell.
30 pounds. Magsayo missed the left hook, but then caught him now.
No, he knocked him
Listen for that
out
bell.
with the left hook.
Kahanga-hanga talaga ang tigas ng mga Mexican fighter. Sa pagpasok ng round 6, bagamat nakalalamang ang ating pambato sa labang ito, ay hindi dapat maging kampante dito si Magsayo sapagkat maaari pang mabaliktad ang laban nang hindi inaasahan.
Digs that hooked him in right back up to the head there. Threw that body shot without looking. Sometimes you don't want to give it away, you just drop it in there.
Second half of this 130-pound fight begins with Mark Magsayo against Eduardo Ramirez. Magsayo was 4-1 with 1 knockout against known southpaws.
Yeah, and he's starting to put the...
I think you got that right, Joe. Assume so far. There's been a round or two where Ramirez has gotten close to a lot more. Size him up. There you go. Get the right distance.
Uppercut by Ramirez, but countered by Magsayo's jab. There's Ramirez coming forward, but just briefly. And then
Yeah, he's really digging that left hook to the body. And look, that can pay off and does pay off normally.
making those investments, hoping to pay dividends, and has already done so with the knockout.
I'm a little surprised Magsayo is not more pressure. Would you be?
He's not setting up a lot of punches. Again, Magsayo. The body shot obviously is working for him when he gets in the inside, but again, not letting any other punches go or setting up after the body shot.
And Ramirez says it was the hip.
Well, that one looked clean. It looked like it went around the elbow.
And he's just landed his 100th total surprise fight as we close out the sixth stanza. Magsayo bouncing on his feet, but not a lot of offense. Single shots and missing.
Sa pagpapatuloy ng laban, ay bahagyang nakabawi ng punto si Ramirez dahil sa mga paisa-isang jab nito.
Round 7.
Sa pagpasok ng round 7, ay nais nang tapusin ni Magsayo ang laban. Kaya naman, naging masipag ito sa pagpapakawala ng mga kombinasyon. Subalit, talagang matigas ang Meksikanong si Ramirez at tila ba parang goma ito na ina-absorb lamang ang mga binibitawang kamao ni Magsayo habang patuloy lang din ito sa pagbato ng mga counter punches.
Got countered by a right hook from Ramirez. He's got to be careful. You know, sometimes when you get real confident like that, you start opening up a little.
Yeah, and he's been overreaching Magsayo. He lets his hands go. I mean, down, and Ramirez has capitalized on that. Again, not enough power on Ramirez's side. Magsayo, again, one more pressure, one more volume. That right uppercut, it's right there for him.
Magsayo landed 20 of 54 punches in round 6. Ramirez 15 of 53.
Figueroa, the 2 points taken away.
Yeah,
I wonder if he's concerned about getting tired and that happening again. He's been pacing himself differently in this fight, no?
He's at 130 pounds. New weight class shouldn't be an issue. 46, beautiful combination by Magsayo.
Yeah, that was
He
a
wants
great
to
counterpunch.
open eyes to Ramirez. Again, a battle-tested veteran who's, you know, tasted defeat 3. Show everyone he wants to be a champion at 130. Now's the time.
Yeah, Ramirez has only been an easy out one time.
Yeah, blown away by Isaac Cruz, and yeah, a lot of close losses.
The pressure, the volume, and Magsayo has it. He's really explosive. He's got the combinations in this fight, taking his time.
I agree 1,000%. And right now, you know, we're closing in on the end of the 7th round. We got a few more rounds left. If you want to go to decision, great. We've won every round. I say go for the knockout.
And there you would tell him, right, Joe?
Yeah.
Go out there and get this guy out.
Although with the caveat, I'd be saying, look, I mean, still keep your hands up good. Don't let your defense. I like I've told fighters before. Look, you got 3 minutes to work. You got 1 minute to come back here and rest. I want you to work for 3 minutes out there, right?
No rest like that.
And it's Ramirez who's the aggressor here to close out the 7th round, coming forward ineffectively, mind you, but putting Magsayo on his back foot.
All right, stop. No.
Sa umpisa ng round 8 ay inakala ni Magsayo na matatapos na nito ang laban. Ito ay napakainin nito ng mabibigat na kombinasyon si Ramirez.
Grand Garden Arena, we'll see round number 8, and they are swimming for the fences.
At sa tindi ng mga binibitawang tira ni Magsayo ay tila ba umiipekto na kay Ramirez ang mga ito.
Beautiful left hand there, but Ramirez
Subalit, dito mo talaga kabibiliban ang mga tunay na Mexican warrior. Nang maya-maya pa ay nagawang makabawi ni Ramirez at nakakapagpatama na din ito ng mga malalakas na tira kay Magsayo.
an uppercut down, and there's a left hand from Ramirez. 2 minutes left in the
Pianza Mag.
Yeah, he waited too long. He's thinking.
Ramirez. 2 minutes left in the
Pianza Mag.
Yeah, he waited. It was there for the taking, and he took it. I agree with you, Joe. Shout out Nelson Jones. 62.
Punch combo by Ramirez, and now Ramirez hitting his glove, saying, "Let's make this a fight. You want to fight? Let's fight." A minute and a half remaining.
Yeah, Ramirez has been rolling this. Magsayo's just been, better. Outside and inside, quite frankly.
Yes, Ramirez has proved to be aggressive and versatile throughout his career. Can at times produce big numbers in terms of output, and
Excited to show, this 130 division that, hey, here, the new guy, welcome, but, have not seen that great performance.
unable to cut off the ring. He's just
I
walking.
think he's trying to press right now. He's pressing very hard. He's looking for the knockout.
And this is
Up the head.
to show and really make a statement on and then always. But are you happy with his aggression?
Listen for that bell. Listen for that bell.
Yeah, it's a good outing, good first outing.
Dahil sa magandang momentum ay nakuha ni Ramirez ang round 8 at sa pagpasok ng round 9 ay pareho naging agresibong bawat isa. Dalawang mandirigma na gustong maiuwi ang tagumpay. Dahil dyan ay mas lalo pang uminit ang takbo ng sagupaan.
They said you frustrated him. Keep throwing, let those hands go, and you know what? He will listen.
6 minutes left to go.
But like you mentioned in the last round, Joe, you got nothing to
Double left
lose.
from Magsayo.
If you're Magsayo, Ramirez does not have the power to hurt you. Go out there and look for the knockout, look for the stoppage. I think Magsayo can get it if he tries.
Stop.
An ultimate
Taylor, great referee.
This is, yes, he is. Magsayo's first scheduled 10-round fight since
Nice
October
job.
2020, when he
Nice
won a
job.
split decision
Stop.
against in 12 rounders. Magsayo. Of course, the 2 losses we talked about, to Ray Vargas and Brendan Figueroa, and now Magsayo fires back, lands
It's a nice little turn right hook.
and now Magsayo coming forward with the uppercuts, changing the level to the body. Delivers left hook by Magsayo. You're right, Abner leading way too forward, but he's landing the shots. He's aggressive.
Yeah, at least he's trying now.
Here in the 9th, just 7 of 22 thus far. Magsayo 19 of 44. So the offense has been muted again by Magsayo. 5 seconds left in the 9th round. Nice body shots there from Ramirez, trying to get to work on the body. What the heck was that by Magsayo? A little backhanded backwards is illegal. In MMA, it's not. Nice, beautiful right hand, double one.
Yeah.
He used the right hook, turned it into an uppercut with the same trajectory.
Yeah, he's done that quite a bit tonight. He's used some good uppercuts, Magsayo. He's really a good fighter. I just wish he'd sit in the pocket a little bit more and see if he can go for the knockout here.
Well, in our first fight, we saw Justin Valoria record the stoppage over Angel.
Sa pagpasok ng huling round ay pagod na ang parehong mandirigma. Walang gustong ipaubaya ang panalo sapagkat dugo at pawis ang pinuhunan ng bawat isa upang makarating sa entabladong ito. At dito ay nilabas ng bawat isa ang kani-kanilang huling arsenal.
Well, Magsayo's been down twice in his KO shot in order to win this.
Yeah, the only thing.
Don't throw.
Yeah.
Big shout out
14 through the first
Jesse Besagas.
Ramirez has got Magsayo's
Buenos dias, Big.
badly right now. I think it just happened this round because I didn't see it last round.
sense of urgency. A minute and a half left in this fight. Great shot from Magsayo with the right hand, but doesn't follow up, doesn't put together combinations, does not put together a sustained attack.
Oh, that was a nice uppercut actually from Magsayo. Right uppercut.
Isang 1-2 combination naman ang tumama kay Magsayo. Malakas ito. At dito ay napilitan ito na gumamit ng clinch.
Ramirez.
Hands are
stop, no punch.
Magsayo, just over a minute.
Delikado ito para kay Magsayo sapagkat isang pagkakamali lamang ay maaaring mawalang pinaghirapan ito.
Ramirez coming forward but not throwing with any amount of vitriol. He's just walking towards Magsayo. Magsayo using angles, using the jab, wanting to cruise for the fast last 30 seconds. He's well ahead on the scorecards. And the veteran Mark Magsayo shelling up, backing up. The clock continues to run out. Ramirez frustrated, wanting a good old-fashioned tear-up. He's not going to get it from Mark Magsayo, who in his second fight at 130 pounds seems to have cruised to a victory over Ramirez.
Hanggang sa tumunog ang huling bell.
71 for 509.
At maya-maya pa ay diniklara na panalo ang ating pambato. Maganda ang pinakitang laban ni Ramirez. Grabe ang tapang nito. Subalit, hindi nito nalampasan ang husay ng isang tunay na mandirigmang Pilipino. Anong masasabi nyo sa laban na ito ni Magsayo, mga brad? Uubran na kaya ito para kay Tank Davis? O matutulad lamang ito kay Ryan Garcia? Ano sa tingin nyo? Pag-usapan natin yan sa comment section. Kung nabitin ka naman sa ating video, ay inaanyayang kitang mag-subscribe at pindutin ang bell button para updated ka sa mga kalidad na boxing topic. Maraming salamat po.